Guys, sorry, we're just taking a quick break from the Mini, but we've actually got another project started, which we didn't think we'd get running today. So, have you guys heard of a Spitfire 1500? So it's one of the limited edition Spitfires, and of course, as we all know, that is a Triumph. So guys, are you ready for it? Because I've just started it. Look at that baby, eh? Look at that. Honestly guys, I love the fact of these two double exhausts at the bottom there. Everything is original on the car. Nothing has been tampered with. Well, you got the rack there. That is a bit of a change. It's not the original one, but it's still an original part from Triumph themselves. As you can see, it's got the soft top, guys. And the interior was all pieced together by us, but it has taken quite a bit of time. I won't lie to you. And our best part of it is spotless engine. Look at that, guys. Let me just change the camera around just so you lot can see it properly. With the whole plate on the side, you can see the cards. But another feature, guys, that I want to mention is I love the fact that the front end comes fully off. So with this car, it was a lot easier actually working on the car itself. I mean, don't get me wrong, we were going to do a bit of full respray, change the color of this one. But to be honest with you, we just want a quick sale. We want to get it out the garage. So that's it for the Triumph actually. But yeah, guys, just another little rarity that I just wanted to put on the video. Really actually wanting to buy one for myself. I mean guys, I don't know why, I think it being such a small cabin and me being such a little person, I think it just suits me perfectly. Absolutely love it. So guys, I'll give you a sound check quickly. It's got a bit of condensation where it's not ran in as long, and there was a little bit of water in the engine. We did notice that, unfortunately, but it's a bit of a sound check. God. Oh yeah, there we go. So, back onto the Mini now, guys.